Come with me as I attempt to cultivate bitter leaves from seed in my garden and discover how easy it is. In this video, you'll learn how to easily plant and grow bitter leaves right at home, making your garden both beautiful and beneficial. Many gardeners struggle with growing bitter leaves due to lack of knowledge or the right techniques, leading to frustration and wasted effort. These struggles can be really discouraging, especially when you're excited to start seeing results in your garden. But it's all about knowing the right steps to take and being patient with the process. One of the main misconceptions about bitter leaves is that they're hard to grow, but that's simply not true. With the right approach, you can be enjoying fresh bitter leaves in no time. The key is to understand what bitter leaves need to thrive, and that's exactly what we're going to cover today. We'll cover the essential steps for planting bitter leaves, including choosing the right soil, the ideal planting season, and how to care for the plants as they grow. Soil is a crucial factor when it comes to growing bitter leaves, so we'll dive into what makes a good soil mix and how to prepare it. Then we'll talk about the best time of year to plant your bitter leaves and what to expect during the different stages of growth. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to get started with growing your own bitter leaves. Choosing the right soil is essential for growing bitter leaves, as it can affect the flavor and texture of the leaves. Bitter leaves prefer well-draining soil that's rich in organic matter, so we'll show you how to create the perfect soil mix. You'll also learn how to prepare your garden bed for planting, including how to remove any debris and loosen the soil. When it comes to planting, the ideal season is usually during the spring or early summer when the weather is warm and there's ample moisture. We'll walk you through the process of sowing the seeds, watering, and providing the right amount of sunlight. As your bitter leaves grow, they'll need regular maintenance to ensure they stay healthy and thriving. This includes watering, fertilizing, and pruning the plants to encourage bushy growth. We'll demonstrate each of these steps so you can see exactly how it's done. By following these simple steps, you'll be enjoying fresh bitter leaves in no time. The key is to be consistent and patient, as growing bitter leaves does take some time and effort. The key moment will be demonstrating the planting process, showcasing how easy and rewarding it is to cultivate these nutritious leaves. We'll take you through each step of the process, from preparing the soil to transplanting the seedlings. You'll see exactly how to sow the seeds, water them, and provide the right conditions for growth. By following along, you'll gain the confidence you need to start growing your own bitter leaves at home. As we plant the seeds, you'll see how easy it is to get started with growing bitter leaves. The seeds are relatively small, so it's easy to sow them directly into the soil. We'll show you how to space them out correctly and how to water them properly to encourage germination. Then we'll transplant the seedlings into larger pots where they can continue to grow and thrive. To wrap up, we'll summarize the main steps and benefits of growing bitter leaves, reinforcing how simple it can be to enhance your garden. Growing bitter leaves is a great way to add some variety to your garden and enjoy fresh, nutritious leaves right at home. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can successfully grow your own bitter leaves and enjoy the many benefits they have to offer. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other gardening tips and share your thoughts in the comments below.